Hi everybody, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making oven fried rice. This is a fridge clean out, so I'm starting with some leftover rice, some scraggly looking celery, some frozen bell pepper. I have a part of a onion. This is a red onion. Normally I use white onion, but it's fine. I have a little bit of cauliflower rice. I'm going to add that in. A bag of green beans and a block of tofu, and what else? Oh, I got this cabbage. It's like the quarter of a gigantic cabbage. So I'm going to start by breaking up my rice. Oh, well, first I'm going to cut all this stuff up. So I cut up all the vegetables ahead of time, and before I add the vegetables, I'm going to break up my rice. And then I'm going to dump in all the vegetables. I got my tofu here. I got to block that up into little pieces. Add that into the bowl, and then I'm going to season it. So we're going to use some soy sauce, a decent amount because it's a lot of rice. We're going to use some garlic. You could use fresh, minced, or dried garlic. I got some ginger, same thing. Fresh, minced, or dried ginger. I'm also going to add in some basil. Some toasted sesame oil for some flavor, and some turmeric, just a little for the color, and rice vinegar too. Now I'm just going to mix this all up. And then I'm going to grease a couple of casserole pans. Whenever I make this, I make a lot because I like to have some leftovers for lunches. And I'm just distributing the rice and vegetables into the two containers. So I didn't use that whole bag of green beans, and I didn't use all of that cabbage, but I used a lot of vegetables. You can really load up on vegetables with this meal. And this is a really great way to use up leftover rice that's like a little bit dried up. And rather than cooking it in a pan, cooking it in the oven is way easier. So I'm preheating the oven, and I'm just going to throw stuff in now. It'll be fine. A lot of times I'll throw it into the oven as it's preheating, and then kind of check on it after about 30 minutes. It takes a little while. So it's been about 30 minutes. The oven's at 375. I'm going to give everything a little stir, and then it's going to go back into the oven. So I'm going to be roasting some frozen vegetables as a side. So I got some broccoli and like a California mix, and just spread that out. And I'm going to add a little salt. I'm going to add some pepper, some garlic powder, and some nutritional yeast. And that's just going to go in the oven for the remainder. So it's been a while, and my rice is nice and golden. My vegetables are roasted. It took time, but it was very easy, right? Not a lot of prep. I like to have this with some hot sauce, and it's a really good, delicious, complete meal. And check it out, it was a food prep. I have all of these meals ready for me to eat for the next couple of days. So yeah, pretty great, right? Well, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe. See you later. Bye.